Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see how to do crispy dosas using oats. For the recipe I am going to use a cup of rolled oats. Let us dry roast this for few minutes. Already it is a rolled oats, so you don't have to overcook this. When it slightly changes its color, you can switch off the flame. This is ready. Once it cools down, you can transfer this into a mixie jar. Now powder this as fine as possible. Our oats powder is ready. Set this aside. Now take a bowl and half a cup of rice flour. Into this add quarter cup of rava, that is semolina, and the oats powder. I am going to add finely chopped onions and coriander leaves into this. So I have taken one onion. Chop the onions as fine as possible. It has to be like this. Now let us add few coriander leaves. So here is a finely chopped onion and the coriander leaves. Let us add this into the flour mixture. To this add the required amount of salt and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now start adding water little by little and give a nice mix. We need to get a thin batter, so adjust the water accordingly. If you like the flavor of black pepper, you can take few, crush them and add it into this. Other than this, you can add few chopped curry leaves. It will also give a nice flavor for the dosa. And here our batter is ready. It has to be like this. Now pour the batter gently like this on a hot tawa. Make sure your tawa is hot. That is very important. Then only your batter will spread properly and you will get pores like this. Now spread some oil. One side is done, it has turned crispy. Now let us flip it. If you want your dosas to be very crispy, just lower the flame and keep it there for a few more minutes. And this I have kept it in low flame for a few extra minutes to get the crispiness. The kids will definitely love this crispy dosas. If you don't want the dosas to be this much crispy, you can take it little early. So this I am going to take it little early so that it will be soft and crispy too. Our oats dosas are ready. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe the channel.